Once you share the link to your study students, they have various options in order to study the terms. They can use regular flashcards. With the flashcards, they can have it start with the term or the definition, or they can see both sides. That would be set over on the right-hand side. So here they're starting off with the term. They would flip it over to see the definition, and if you decided to include an image, the image would be there as well. If they would like it read to them, they would simply click on the speaker icon.
An expanse of land with relatively low relief that is flat or gently rolling.
If it's a term that they had trouble with, they can star it, and then later on they can go back to all the terms that they starred and not worry about the ones they already know. Down at the bottom, they would advance forward. Again, starts with the term. They click to flip it over to see the definition. Another option is to learn. What it will do is it will give the term, or they can uncheck that and they can see the definition and put the term instead. The thing with this is the spelling needs to be accurate, otherwise they'll be marked wrong. So if I had put in the wrong answer here, or actually let's spell this wrong. Okay, so you can see since I spelt it wrong, it's telling me I'm incorrect. I could go ahead and override that if I was the student, completely student's choice. The other one is speller. I would say this would be good for spelling words. They listen to the term being read. They can replay it. And then they need to type it accurately. They hit the enter button when they're done, and they continue. If they spell it wrong, then they're marked wrong and they're corrected.
Glacier. Glacier.
Again, probably good for more of a spelling word than vocabulary terms. They can also test themselves on their vocab terms. They can choose the type of question that they want. They can start with the term, the definition, or they can have both. Again, their choice. They can show the images or not. They can also print out a test. Scatter is another option. What they're going to do is they're going to drag terms and definitions onto one another to make them disappear. So I'm going to take CAPE and I'm going to drag it to what it matches, and you can see those terms disappear. So that is scatter. And then the final one, gravity. You'll see that they need to protect the planet from incoming asteroids. They can select difficulty level. They can also decide, do they want to start with the term, the definition, or they want it to be random. Let's go with easy and start with the definition. I'm going to start the game. Okay, and here what's going to happen again, spelling counts. So if I spell that correctly, I hit enter, I have destroyed that asteroid. If I spell it wrong and hit enter, I am wrong. It's not going to destroy that asteroid. So again, possibly more of a spelling activity than a vocab activity. So those are the options that the students have for studying. What's nice is this will work on any device. So they can do it on a phone, an iPad, tablet, computer, Chromebook, any device that they have available.